Hello students, let's do question number 5 of exercise 12.2 NCERT. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. Question number 5, we have a circle. Let APB is an arc. Let this is P. It is an arc which is subtended an angle of 60 degree at the center. Let O be the center and this arc is subtended an angle of 60 degree at the center. Clear? The radius of the circle is given 21 centimeters. What we have to find? We have to find first length of arc. We have to find the length of arc. Second, we have to find area of sector made by this arc. And third is area of segment formed by corresponding chord. Let AB be a chord and we have to find the area of this segment. Clear? Now, radius is 21 centimeter. First thing what we have to find? We have to find length of arc. Which arc? Which is subtending an angle 60 degree at the center. AOB. Let it is a point Q. AQB is also an arc. But we have to find the length of that arc which is subtending an angle of 60 degree at the center. Now, what is the length of arc is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Value of pi is not given. So, we will take it as 22 by 7. What is theta? 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. 6 6 are 36. 7 3s are and 3 into 2 6. What is the length of the arc? 22 centimeters. It is length of the arc, therefore it comes in centimeters. Now, second is what we have to find? We have to find area of sector. Which sector? Sector formed by this arc, this sector. It is a minor sector. Area of sector AOBP, which is a minor sector. What is the formula? Theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is theta is 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 6 are 7 3s are 3 2s are into 11s are 11 into 21 231 centimeter square. Area always comes in squares. Third is what we have to find? Area of segment. Which segment? APB. We have to find area of this segment. What will be the area of segment APB? How can we find the area of this segment? If we subtract the area of this, subtract the area of triangle from this area of sector, what will we get? We will get area of segment. So, area of segment will be area of sector AOBP minus area of triangle AOB. Now, area of sector we have 231 centimeter square. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the area of triangle. We have a triangle OAB. This was angle theta, 60 degree was given. Now, bache, OA and OB are radii of a circle and it is given that radius is 21 centimeters. OA equals to OB. Therefore, as per isosceles triangle property, this angle OAB should be equals to angle OBA, isosceles triangle property. Let it as angle X and this is also angle X. Now, in triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA should be equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. 60 plus 2x equals to 180 degree. 2x equals to 120 and x is 60 degree. Therefore, this angle is also 60 and it is also 60. So, what we have got? Bache, pause the video and note it down. What we have got? We have got that triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Clear? Now, what is the area of equilateral triangle? Area of equilateral triangle AOB. What is the formula of equilateral triangle ka area? Root 3 by 4 into side square. That is root 3 by 4 into side of triangle is radii of the circle 21 into 21 ka whole square, that is 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Clear? Now, what we have to find? Area of segment. Area of segment will be area of sector, that was 231 centimeter square, minus area of triangle AOB, that is 441 root 3 by 4. This whole will be our answer. That is the area of segment. Clear?